Hey, Deanna here. Welcome back to my channel, Goodness Greenish. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I want you to think of me as your clean beauty bestie, helping you navigate the world of beauty, but specifically clean beauty. My goal here and for myself is just to always do better. I believe in progress. I believe that perfection is not realistic, nor is it sustainable. So if that is something that you are into or you're looking to get into with that frame of mind, then definitely keep watching, and thank you for being here. Okay, so today's video is going to be on a brand new product from Beautycounter. I feel like it's been like a new product every few weeks, right? So the last few months have been really exciting with Beautycounter. And for those of you that are new, I've been with Beautycounter as a consultant for 6 years now. It's my favorite clean beauty company. You know, they really are the leaders in clean. When I joined 6 years ago, there wasn't even a clean category, just either natural or just conventional. And people didn't understand the term clean until Beautycounter. At least that's in my opinion. And I've been a makeup artist for over 20 years. So, you know, I know the industry quite well. Anyway, so this product I'm really excited to talk about. It's brand new, it launches today, and it's called the Cheeky Clean Cream Blush. Can we talk about the packaging? Gorgeous, right? Beautycounter's goal is to, by the year 2025, to be 100% recycled, recyclable, refillable, reused, and compostable. And so this is their first product where they are implementing the refillable piece. And it's made with an estimated 100% post-consumer recycled resin. How very, very cool. Okay, so let's just talk about this gorgeous packaging. This compact is so pretty, very good quality. Has, of course, it's all white with the gold Beautycounter. And then on the side, look at that little Beautycounter bee. Isn't that super cute? And you just pop it open like that. And then it comes with a mirror inside. So again, compact, refillable. So when you're done with this, the refills will be available January of 2022. Just take a paper clip, safety pin, just pop the blush, the empty blush out, and then you just recycle the tin. Very cute. And then it does have the name printed on the back. So you can just pick another blush next time if you don't want the same one. So there you go, just like that. Yay! Okay, so a lot of people are intimidated to use a cream blusher. And I think it's because, well, you don't just take a brush and you do this, and there is a little bit of manipulating you have to do. But once you get used to it, it is so easy, so versatile. It's mistake proof, honestly. And if you've watched my video from last month when we launched the cream eyeshadows, it's kind of the same thing. And I've just had so much great response from clients just saying, hey, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that cream shadows were so easy to apply. So it's just a few little tips and tricks, and I promise you it's going to be like your favorite thing to have in your makeup bag because it's so easy, and it really is the multitasker. Okay, so you probably have noticed I have no blush and I have no lips, and that's because I want to demonstrate each color. Now, in between each color, I'm going to have to reapply a little bit of foundation and concealer again, but at least you'll get the basics of it and get the idea of what this will really look like. So again, I'm medium tone with yellow undertones, and all of these colors are going to look great. Some are going to look better on me than others, and that's just like with any color, right? Whether it's eyeshadows, lips, that kind of thing. So I'm going to try and go from like lighter to the darkest, so it won't be as hard. So again, gorgeous compact, and I'm going to start off with HAVANA. And HAVANA is a carnation pink. Let's take a peek at it. Pretty, pretty. And again, buildable. So really, really pretty. Now, there are several ways to apply cream blusher. I'm going to show you several because, you know, you'll find your own technique. Now, with blush, it's so much preference on like where you want placement and the shape of your face. Again, to lift, and for me, I have more of a rounder face, so sometimes I just want to lift. But then sometimes I just want to look fresh and awake and clean and youthful. I'm just going to pop it a little bit right here on my apples. So I'm going to try and do both just so you can see, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go through each color and so you can just see what they look like, okay? So one way to do it obviously is through your fingers, or with your fingers. And I like to use my ring finger as well as my middle finger. And I just almost like to cup my cheekbones, okay? So I'm cupping it as I'm applying. Cupping it, warming it to the skin. Oh, it's so pretty. I haven't played with this color on myself yet. I've only used a couple. Of course, I've swatched them all because I had to. And I've used a couple of colors on different clients that I've had over the last couple of weeks. But again, I'm just cupping it that way. It's one, I would say, coat, one application, but I can make it more by building more. By putting a little bit more, I can build the color. So it can show up more, right? What's cool about this? Great for the lips, right? So this formulation is made with squalene. Squalene's very hydrating. Also, ooh, that's really pretty. And you could just wear this just like this, or you can throw a gloss on it. But it also has jojoba esters in it as well. So all super hydrating, but not greasy, not sticky, not heavy feeling. And what I've noticed with these is that they feel like, it's almost like it's a dry down, like a powdery dry down is what I'm trying to say. So I guess I just decided to keep it all on my cheek, from my apples up through here. Very natural looking though, too. If you feel like you have too much on, you can take your Better blender and you can just come through and do that. Soften it if you want to, but I want more. So pretty. And I really like the way it feels on my lips. And I actually like this color. It's very like soft nude looking. What do you think? So pretty, pretty. Very natural though on me, but I think this is gonna be really nice on somebody that's more fair, light. Again, I like it too just for a little bit of natural color, but it's gonna be gorgeous and more pronounced on fair to light skin. Okay, so as you can see, I've patched myself back up and I'm going to now try CIDER. It's a soft peach. And again, I'm going from light-ish to the darkest one. So CIDER is a soft peach, as you can see. It's this color right here. Okay, and so this time I'm going to use, since I used my fingers to apply the last color, I'm going to go ahead and use my Better blender. And again, you can do it with your finger and then, you know, blend it in a little more with the Better blender. So you can do this, right? And then you can do that. Or you can actually put a little bit, and don't be afraid. Here's the thing, it's makeup. You can always take it off. You can always put loose powder or powder to just kind of diffuse it more if you want to. But sometimes I just like doing this to get a little bit of color. Now, it will put more color onto the sponge, but as you can see, it's very natural, right? Very, very natural. How easy is this too, right? So, so easy to just pop it on. And so sometimes with colors like this, since I'm wearing more warm shadows, you can always pop that on right here just to kind of tie it in, just right there on the brow bone. Just want you to see the difference because it kind of ties in the look. And again, this would be really pretty on like light, fair to light. And I just have to apply more if I really want it to show up. But if I'm just looking for a real natural, like I just want a little bit of color, I want it to have natural color, this looks great. But check it out. Okay, so the next color I'm going to demo is Chai, and that's a dusty rose, as you can see. Look at that. Very pretty. So it's a warm, kind of mauve-y rose color. Very, very pretty. Let's see if that'll help. So it's going to be natural, but it's going to get a little more oomph. Okay, so I've tried it with a sponge. I've done it with my fingertips and with a sponge. Now I'm going to show you how to use it with a brush. I love this brush from Merit. It's also a clean beauty company. I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush like this. And so it's a dense brush, so it's going to deposit more color on it. And again, but it really can buff it nicely into the skin. This is a lovely brush, by the way. So, and again, placement is completely up to you. Again, if you take it from here on up, you're going to just add, you're going to uplift the face. Go back through. You can take your sponge, buff it in, but I love the brush just like that. And then let's see what it looks like on the lips. This is the one I've been using quite a bit of too. I like it. Do you see how it's soft, it's dewy, it's not heavy looking at all, and again, buildable. Okay, so the next color is Rosebud, and that is a rose pink. So you can see that. And that's a true blue rose pink. See? All right, I'm going to use my fingers on this one. As you can see, just alone, it's quite a bit of color. So pretty. It's gorgeous. How easy is this? Just so easy. Little cheekies, throw it on your lips. It's perfect to have in your makeup bag for touch-up throughout the day, but so lovely. Okay, so that one's Rosebud. Okay, so the next one is Paloma, which is a warm apricot, as you can see. And this is the one I've been wearing this one a lot because I love anything warm, corally. So when the color is a little more vibrant, I can definitely use a sponge because I know it's going to go on softer touch. I know it will absorb a little more product, but that's okay because I know that, right? So pretty. Oh my God, I love this one. This is like one of my favorites, especially when when you're wearing more warm tones, but I like this one on the lips too. Okay, so the cool thing about this, again, it's buildable. So if I just want to do like a lighter touch on the lip, I can, but I wanted it to have a little more color. Look at that, it's so pretty. You can throw just like a nice soft gloss on it if you wanted to as well. But I love, this is one of my favorites. Okay, so the next color, I mean, seriously, my cheeks. I keep putting concealer and foundation back on because I really wanted to demo these for you. So the rest of my makeup's starting to fall off, but you know, hey, or fall out, whatever you want to say. Okay, so this color is Lychee, and that's a bright rose. You can see. I'm going to swatch it. So as it gets more pigmented, and for me, now we're starting to, it's going to be more pigmented, I'm going to use a lighter touch because then I can build on it. So if I want more color, again, I'll start off a little lighter, and again, I'll use my fingers just to kind of see just a little bit right there. So you can just kind of tell. Again, you can swirl it around, but I like to pat it into the skin because then I have more control of where it's going. Again, everybody has a different technique. And I forgot to mention that you can use this underneath powder blush. You can set it with powder if you want to make it more of a matte finish because these are a little dewy, but not greasy, you know, nothing like that, not heavy feeling at all. Ooh, looks great. And if you want to get more of a precise line, you can use a lip brush. You know, if you want to have more of that precision application, you can. But I just love how easy. That's what you'll realize with the cream products. It's like this in the cream eyeshadows. Again, if you haven't seen the video, definitely look through my videos. Easy. Cream eyeshadow, this, you don't even need tools. but, love. Okay, only 2 more to go. This one is Truffle, which is a warm terracotta, like a rust color, however you want to say. It's so pretty. Sienna. That is so pretty. I can't wait to apply this one. So again, this is going to be a little more pigmented with my skin tone, but I'm going to go ahead and use my fingertips on this. I could use the sponge. Oh, so nice. And again, buildable. Now we're working towards like medium to deep tones. And lychee as well, the color right before this. And just keep building until you're comfortable. And here's the thing, you want to take it down, you want to diffuse it, just put some colorless powder or your pressed powder, loose powder, and just lightly dust it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we're almost done. One more color left, and this one's GOJI. I'm really excited about this one because it's a crimson red. It's very pigmented. This is definitely requires a light touch, but it is so, so pretty. Look at that. See? Oh my gosh. I have not tried this one yet, so I'm really, really excited about it. Now, again, I've already put more concealer. I don't think I've wiped my face so much with a makeup wipe as much as I have today. But again, I'm going to start off with a light touch, one application at a time. You don't need much, just like a little slight flush, right? So pretty. You don't need much at all, but it's going to be gorgeous on the lips, so I cannot wait. Oh. And what's pretty is you could really build this up to make it more striking, more stunning, or you can just do it like a berry bitten lip. Ooh. So that's what it looks like with 2 applications. I think this is probably my favorite out of all of them because it's so fun. Because you can make it lighter or you can do it darker like this. I love, love, love. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. You can definitely, these are live, so you can go ahead and shop these now. Remember, they're going to be refillable, so in January of 2022, we'll have the refills for them. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions. If you don't already have a Beautycounter consultant, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you with picking colors. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. And if we're not connected on social media, come find me on Instagram at Goodness Greenish or on Facebook at Goodness Greenish, and all my links and all the things are below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and chat soon.